Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you a quick fix. This is a quick fix. So what would you do if you woke up in the morning, for example, you have a family and you don't have a Scott for breakfast? This is it. You just have your ingredients in the pantry or in your kitchen and you just want to make something that is so quick and delicious, or just even a twist. These soft liquid dough mandazi are going to be it for you. So let's get started. We have our mixing bowl where we're going to add 2 cups of flour, and this is the all-purpose flour. I use the Azam one. Add in half a cup of sugar, and then I'll go in with a pinch of salt. Yeah, more like a pinch of salt, and then I'll just mix this together. I have my egg. This egg helps it to be a little bit loose, not too together, not so done or dense. So I'm just adding in 1 egg, but if you don't have an egg, you can just do without. It also works perfectly well. So mix this together, and then I'm going to add in my lemon zest because man, the flavor. I'm just going to use my grater and use the small size so I have the finest zest. I don't have to have like those rough cuts. Yeah, so just put in a few and then mix that, and then I have my cup of lukewarm water, which I'm going to be adding in until I get the desired consistency. This doesn't even take like 10 minutes mixing up. You just wake up in the morning, you don't have a snack, or maybe you want to pack for your children and you don't have a snack. Just do this. If you have the ingredients, it's just perfect, and man, they come out so well. Make sure you keep on adding the water in intervals so that you don't like make it so loose or too thick. So I'm just going to squeeze in half a lemon just to enhance the flavor of the lemon in my mandazi. Just keep mixing this until you have this consistency. You can always adjust. If the dough is if the mixture is too loose, add in some flour. If it's too thick, add in some water. So I'm going to add in a teaspoon of baking powder, chapa mandazi, just so it's just a leavener that is going to help my mandazi rise a little bit. I don't know how to call this, man. It was a quick fix that I just fell on. So on my pan, I'm going to use a flat pan that I'm going to put some cooking oil, and then once it's hot, I'm going to use this spoon that is also going to help me in shapes, controlling shapes. But it depends really. You can use a smaller one, you can use a bigger one, any that you have that you can use to put the mixture into the cooking oil. So I'm going to let this on medium heat, and once it bubbles, I'll just go in and turn them. Just keep on adding the dough so that I don't have a lot of space in the pan and wasting time. Yeah, so that's it. Just get your skewer or your spoon or whatever you're going to be using. Just make sure you flip these ones. This was stubborn. But yeah, just flip them so that the other side cooks until they are golden brown, and you tell they are ready. Then you just remove them. See, this doesn't even take like a lot of time. In 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you're done. So I posted this on my Instagram and someone asked for a recipe. So I thought, why not film and just post it here. So if you find it useful, leave me a comment, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So once they are golden brown, just remove them from the oil and just keep on adding the raw mixture until it's all done. And here we are, guys. Look at those. Tell me you don't want to eat these ones. They are so soft, first of all, on the inside. They are so crunchy on the outside. They are just a perfect quick fix for that Sunday morning when you wake up and you forgot to buy bread. And you don't even have to have bread all the time. Yeah, you can just always switch it up for your family. Look at that. I really love mine with some honey or syrup. So if you don't have any of these, don't feel obligated to have them, but they just go perfectly. If you have them, do it. See you soon in my next video. Bye.